No stone will be left unturned to get to the bottom of the tragic Ateneo men's basketball boot camp, which left 2 freshman recruits dead from oversight on the observance of safety measures. A VAO PNP CIDG Director Major General Robert Alexander Morico II declared, beginning with the issuance of summons on the Ateneo de Manila coaching staff headed by Thomas Tab Baldwin. The full story from Ryan Lasigas.
The bottom line here is we want to give justice not only to Rene Clerc Baturbiña, but also the foreign national, Divine Adili.
Airtight case. This is the assurance given by the Philippine National Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or PNP-CIDG regarding its ongoing investigation on the deaths of 2 basketball athletes from Ateneo de Manila University, Rene Baturbiña and Divine Adili. According to the PNP-CIDG, no one will be spared from their investigation. In connection with this, the PNP-CIDG has issued subpoenas to several individuals who may help shed light on the incident. Among those summoned are Ateneo de Manila University head coach Tab Baldwin, other coaches, and players.
We're trying to establish if the school authorities concerned have prepared for the safety and medical needs of the athletes who are participant sa team building activity.
Also being summoned are representatives of the local government unit, the resort owner, and the driver of the bus used by the group. The CIDG will also invite former Ateneo de Manila University players as resource persons in connection with what has been described as a team-building activity. The PNP-CIDG also said that they already have persons of interest or POIs in the incident.
Although there are several markers doon na bawal yung maglangoy, was there any effort coming from the local government to prevent yung na sawayin yung mga tao doon, considering that yung weather condition during the time?
The CIDG has also requested the Department of Justice or DOJ to place some of these individuals under an immigration lookout bulletin.
Ateneo is Ateneo. May mga pera po yung mga dyan. They have the capability to travel abroad.
The National Bureau of Investigation or NBI has also launched its own investigation on the incident. Although police found no signs of foul play, the NBI emphasized that this not necessarily mean that no one can be held liable. The agency will examine whether there was negligence or any deficiency in safety measures, supervision, and risk assessment at the activity site. According to the NBI, the goal of the investigation is to establish the full truth and hold accountable anyone found to have violated the law. The Department of Labor and Employment will also summon Baldwin to review the legality of his work permit in the country. The Labor Department said it has the authority to cancel or suspend the alien employment permit of a foreign worker if any violation is found.
Kailan siya nag-apply ng AEP at yung ba mga conditions ng AEP niya ay nasunod. Halimbawa, meron ba ang kanya bang AEP ay sa campus lamang and during the games? Yung kanya bang AEP ay saklaw din yung mga activities outside the campus or even outside a UAAP season?
Ryan Lasigas for The Nation.